We're tired. We're tired of going to funerals. We're tired of burying people. We're tired of having to run from bullets. We're tired of being woken up by screams and sirens.
Frustrations boiling over after a brazen daylight shooting in East York. It's the city's 20th gun-related incident in the last 7 days. This one leaving one man dead and another in hospital, and many asking questions about what it will take to end the violence.
It's got to end. It's got to end. We are tired of this.
Neighbors on Parma court angry and emotional after a daytime shooting left one man dead and sent another to hospital.
From what I understand, are the deceased and the victim were just sitting out front of a parkette, having some lunch, I believe, and the two suspects appeared and began to fire upon him.
It was around 2:15 when shots rang out in this housing complex near Victoria Park and O'Connor. Police say the two victims were running away from the gunman when they were hit. The deceased, identified as 29-year-old Kevin Reddick, was pronounced dead on scene. Police say the second victim was taken to hospital in non-life-threatening condition.
I can confirm that the two males were targeted, and there are some gang activity involved in this investigation.
Neighbors tell City News both victims are former residents of this neighborhood and were visiting at the time of the incident. They say Reddick is the father of a 4-year-old daughter. The crime scene spans multiple locations throughout this Toronto community housing complex. K-9 units seen searching for clues and investigators combing through security footage. Police say two male suspects in dark-colored clothing were seen fleeing in a dark-colored vehicle northbound on Victoria Park.
What I do want to acknowledge are the witnesses from this neighborhood that have come forward, so thank you very much for that assistance. I am still appealing to anyone else that may have been in the area at approximately 2 this afternoon. If they do have any information, to please contact the homicide squad at a 55 division.
But residents here say many are often hesitant to share what they've witnessed.
They're afraid of the retaliation. You speak out, there's retaliation for it. Your windows get smashed, your door gets kicked in, you get assaulted, you get beat up, you get stabbed, you get shot. It doesn't end.
Veronica Rose says scenes like this are all too familiar, and she puts the blame squarely on Toronto Community Housing.
We have been begging housing for safety meetings for years. They don't give a damn. They are quite content to let these people keep murdering each other.
As for police, they say they're doing their best to keep these residents safe.
It's very frustrating, I'm sure, for the residents here, but I can assure the members of this community that it is a safe community. We do have members of the Toronto Police. Uniform presence will be brought in here in the next couple of days, and we'll try to continue to keep them here.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. Yes, my people, you can see some eyes all run all water because you see me in this jacket, it's cold. Alright, my people, so today again, my people, we're back at it again, giving you a next banger video, next chapter of the whole series of the ghettos of Toronto, they call them, Canada, right? So I'm a YouTuber now. I just go around, show the different ghettos, I show the different parks, I show the different malls, and that's the Canadian part of it. And then when we go to Jamaica, we'll do the same thing, but more river tours and all that stuff. So you can call me Toronto City Boy Tour if you need a tour in Toronto, right? That's a YouTuber. So anybody who's new here, it's 416-876 Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican blogger, and I do Jamaican content and Canadian content, building my house, dream house in Jamaica, Airbnb. So that's how everything started from. But right now, my people, we're in the famous Parma court. We heard like some of the worst stories Toronto could have ever put out, right? So right now we're going to give you a walkthrough and make you check it out. So already you can see that the place looks like it's a little bit run down, but it's not really run down. You can see a lot of door right there's a pop off. Looks like it's a lot of government buildings. Hey people, see with government buildings, they have a lot of bed bugs and roaches and rat. Yeah, Even on my building too, you know, my people, don't get it twisted them. Them building the older building them. The vent them. Rat not stop crawl up through them. You know, my mom used to deal with that girl. Oh God, she come from the ghetto too. Girl have beer bed bugs in her house. My jaja run me off road every time I go to the girl house all night. Rooftop bed bugs there. Yeah, beer bed bugs infested building. So that's with the cheaper community buildings them on, you know. More time than don't try to take care of the investive species. You can see some of the place run down people. Like it's not painted or outdated. I'm gonna see if I could find any people I can talk to see the history of around here. But like it's cold right now, so I don't think we're gonna get a lot of people to talk to. So hopefully I could go down in this section right here, because I couldn't find this place in my people. I drive around and I drive around and with a look for it. I only been here probably once or twice, because like I say, I really try to not get on here about them like that, you know. But you just don't want to have no problem with these unscrupulous people. Them people are senseless. It's like if you're there at Jamaica and a man I go tell yourself you go to Central Village and go walk through Big Lane or Little Lane or Zina Lane or Compound or Zambia. You mad, you are mad here. Don't do it, my people. YouTubers out there, if you don't come from them area there, don't risk your life. Boy, you're gonna make videos over there and stuff like that. Them people will eat you alive, them like corn and vine. Them are rats. They eat anything. Yeah, but the area look alright to me so far. But like I said, I just want to find 1-2 person where I can talk to. Over this side, on the left side, look more dangerous to me. I'm gonna go walk over this. So. What people you see, you don't be afraid to walk through the communities them, you know. Now it's a daytime now. Yes, stuff might can kick off or go on, but it's cool outside right now. So all of the gangsters them or whoever probably hide. Right? Oh, that's why the guy was telling me to make a left turn on that area, but I made a completely 360. But so far so good. Yeah. Wakanda place. I'm gonna walk down this area, my people. Now we're gonna turn back and walk through some of the houses and yeah. Oh, this is Parma Court. Oh damn. That's the building I was talking about. Yeah, that's an infested building right there. I don't even want to go up there to show the building, but that's an infested bugs building, my people. Bed bugs for days. That Wakanda place area, yeah. And a lot of crackheads too. That's why somebody was like, oh, don't go too far, you know. Remember I used to link a girl here and the girl always scared for me. She's like, don't go too far around this place, it's bad. I said, me a Jamaica, me come from, you know. No way, no bad. From you come from Jamaica and growing at the ghetto. I don't believe no way bad for you at the end of the day. But I thought for the people them who grow in the hoods, in the ghettos. Now the people them who grow uptown or in a rural country area where everything done the shun, you never hear gunshot yet. No. Now you people keep your ass quiet and sit down here. Cause out there, let me say, you have some people them come like rats, no meet anything. Yeah man. The house them, this place looks a lot better than, remember when we did the last tour? I think that one, I'll go through this area. Yeah. We did the last tour and the last tour wasn't bad. Let me see someone, let me ask this person. Yeah. Let me ask them. Hello, quick question. You've been living around here? Like, no, I'm just trying to ask. I do like videos, like on all the ghettos and stuff like that. I'm just like, okay. Hello. Could I ask a question? Oh, people hard to ask some question around here from the people in backyard. They look shabby. You know, people make them afraid to talk to people around here, my people. I probably call them a woman, and they always think you look them. There's a ball field down there. We'll walk down there soon. I always think you look them. I need to ask one question. Yeah, so we will move on. But so far, so good. I wanna see if I could find one of the gangster thugs them around here. So look way run down. Yeah, look way run down. And this is more probably a multicultural area too, you know, my people. So it's not just no black people live around here. And my brother them used to live around here, so. And man tell me a story of my people. Man say man police they in a gang activities and this and that, or the police try to set him up. The man say beat up the police and run away. And then police send a military team and this and that round here, so. The man say man running a gully bank. Yeah man, my people are so hard sometimes. Some people live in them place so you never know, so I cannot do this, you know. Man say run a gully bank and the police will run him down. The man say him box the police too hard as. Yeah man. The man said him put the police in a coma. That's why them have to charge him wickedly. The two of the dog do the police, them with them beer on them. Yeah. Let's go see how down here look. But people, you come at them place, you pick your poison and you call it a day. If you want to come and do bad in Canada, you come and do bad. If you want to get your hell ass up, go find a 95, save up your money and go back to your home country. This country not really, this place, I now see the country, you know. Yeah, this place them all run down. This place don't really have too much no more for offer. Like I said, the Canadian American dream days, it's done. Nothing now go on right this no more. I want to go in this building. They said this building used to be one of the top target building, 90 Parma Court. If anybody have any comments about Parma Court that I don't know about, you can leave it in the description. And please again everybody, like up the video, share the video. I'm gonna see if I could stand up in this lobby and see if we could get two people to talk to quick time. Then we finish, go around the next areas. And yes my people, the next ones, the Jane and Finch one soon come. When we go back to the west, Glendever. Now we have a couple more ghettos in Scarborough. We got some people say we have to finish up. But so far the building, you know, it no look run down or anything. Yeah, I don't know if it will be open. Yeah, it's not open. I would want to go inside there and see. Oh, but in there, look, you understand, peeps? So far, so good. I don't see no gangbangers, they would call them. I see nobody who I'm afraid of. When I see no activities we must talk about. So everything look fairly good. Come to Canada and you want someone to live and them say, yo, Parma Court cheap, would you move here? Yes. Probably back in the days it wasn't a good community. But right now everything modern days now, so I don't see anything to worry about over here. So far, I don't know, right? I'm not from here, so same like if you got our community, you got Valley Garden, and you think everything over there good and dandy and shandy, and you mix up in with people and you never know. I see a man with a nice Mercedes Benz. I don't know if he's in drug dealing. He's black too. Yeah, that's how the people look at me when I drive my Mercedes. What you do? Yeah. So them profile you over them places when you drive a nice little car and then you're living at the ghetto type vibes area. You always think you're up to no good, my people, when you're black. Yeah. Well, if you live in a nice neighborhood now and you're black and you have your nice up cars. They just say how he's a professional young man. Yeah, so them do it. But that's that. Let's go over here, show this place of art. If you guys know these people, we're gonna show you. You guys can make a comment. I'm gonna go through this area now. See what go on over here. But yeah, people, like at the end of the day, this neighborhood is not bad as I thought it would be, and it's not run down like the last era we went to. And I don't think we're gonna find no rundown area like that, because everything changed up. Yeah, everything changed up. So let's show you guys this artwork so we can at least get some questions. It's a black kid too. Good question, guys. Good question. You guys from the area?
Yeah.
I do YouTube videos, right? I show like all the ghettos and stuff like that. I don't have to put you guys on the camera, okay? So I'm not putting you on camera. I'm just asking some question. Oh, you guys been living here a long time?
About a year or so.
How is it?
It's pretty good.
It's not
Nice.
like, oh, it used to be back in the days
Nah,
of...
it's a lot better.
It's a lot
I think
better.
it's a lot safer.
It's a lot safer now, right? I was just trying to ask some question, get some opinion of the area, okay?
Yeah, what did everybody else say?
No, everyone is scared.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you guys are the first one. Everyone is scared to come on camera or even just to talk, you know what I mean? I'm not even putting you guys on the camera, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know? But, alright guys, thanks, alright? Yeah, man, take care. Alright, see? This person just live here over a year now, and they haven't heard or seen anything. I don't know, there's a bike guy right here. Let's see if we could ask this guy some questions. See if he could answer us. Yeah, this place look more ghetto now. But it's just the back of the building of people. Houses, you know. Excuse my brother. I don't want to put you on camera. You been living here a long time? No, I just do like hood videos, just trying to show off the bad neighborhoods. They used to say it's bad. So I just like to have like people insight of how is this neighborhood now and how it used to be, you know? I'm not even
Back
gonna...
in the day it used to be bad, but now it calmed down. Now.
It was really bad?
Back in the day, a lot of bang banging, niggas be shot like a couple years ago, boys out in the building over there.
Yeah.
Now people don't see anything.
Yeah.
You know, because I got shot in the bar.
So a lot of shooting used to happen here. But now everything is good now.
Now people come down after people get arrested.
Oh, a lot of people got arrested.
None of the justice system passed.
Yeah.
The justice got more stronger now, so less people and less trouble.
So less problem. Okay. All right. Thank you, man. Hopefully they could hear you loudly on the camera. Okay. I didn't put you on camera. Okay. All right, man. You don't want to put too much people on the camera if they don't want to be on camera, you know. But yeah, people, he said this building got shot up a couple of years ago. A couple of people died around here and stuff like that. He said it used to be really, really bad. But now it's not as bad as it used to be anymore. So that's a thumbs up for this neighborhood. So I get a Director J pass. Yeah. We go back through this place. So it's not too much left to really show you guys around here. But they could really do some backyard cleaning work with some of these properties, man. Like, come on now. You know how much people that love to live in these townhouses around here? A lot of people, my people. But yeah, I think we're gonna end off this project here. Wasn't a lot to really show, and because there are not a lot of people to really talk to around here, so we could express our feelings of how life used to be around here. But one of the guys just told you guys how it used to be, right? So people are coming to Toronto, Canada, and you hear about this community, don't be afraid to move in, because it's not as bad anymore. Those days are done, right? So that's a thumbs up. Got a Director G approval. Some place probably not gonna get approval from me because it's still bad, you know. So I'm gonna walk up to my car right now and thing, and then head on home to edit this video for you people. But again, everyone, just like, share, subscribe if you like these type of content. There will be more. Let me know which community you guys want to see next in the comment section, and we'll go cover it. And that is it. I think I walked out this entire neighborhood fairly. I don't see anything else or where else to go. I might drive around a little bit just to see where else to go, but fairly so far we did the job and we got it done. So again, everybody, just like, share, subscribe. It's your boy 416-876 Jamaica, Director J. You know what? We're out.